Every day, countless people wake up exhausted, foggy, and unable to thrive, no matter how well they eat or how much rest they get. Maybe you've felt it too, persistent fatigue, brain fog, or unexplained health challenges. Well, you're not alone, and you're definitely not broken. Your body is burdened. The hidden culprit? Environmental toxins and the mitochondrial dysfunction that they create. Environmental toxins are invisible chemicals surrounding us in our air, our water, our food, even our homes. They include pesticides, herbicides, heavy metals, mold toxins, plastics, and radiation. These toxins sneak into our bodies every single day, silently disrupting vital biological processes. Once inside, they set off a chain reaction affecting everything from your energy to your immune system and even your mood and memory. The impact is real and oftentimes overlooked by conventional medicine. Among these toxins, pesticides, organophosphates, glyphosate, and radiation stand out as especially harmful. Why? Because they directly attack your mitochondria, the tiny energy factories inside every cell in your body. Mitochondria produce ATP, the energy currency that powers your body. When toxins enter your cells, they impair the mitochondria's ability to generate ATP by disrupting crucial processes like the electron transport chain. This reduces your cell's energy, leaving you feeling exhausted and vulnerable. You might be exposed to these toxins through everyday sources like non-organic foods, contaminated drinking water, cleaning products, personal care items, or even radiation from everyday electronics. Mitochondrial dysfunction is when these essential energy-producing structures become impaired and can no longer perform their critical job effectively. Think of mitochondria as batteries powering your cells. If the batteries fail, your whole body suffers. When mitochondria become dysfunctional, your cells lack energy, causing symptoms like chronic fatigue, brain fog, immune system problems, hormonal imbalances, and even chronic illnesses such as autoimmune conditions or neurological disorders. Mitochondrial dysfunction doesn't have to have one cause. Genetics can play a role, but lifestyle and environmental factors are the real game changers. Poor diet, chronic stress, lack of sleep, and inflammation contribute significantly. But environmental toxins like glyphosate found in conventional produce, heavy metals from dental fillings or contaminated water, mold from damp homes, or even radiation exposure cause some of the most severe mitochondrial damage. So how do you know if mitochondrial dysfunction might be impacting your health? Common symptoms like persistent fatigue, cognitive difficulties, unexplained muscle weakness, chronic pain, digestive problems, and immune challenges. If these resonate with you, it's worth exploring further. Specialized tests like organic acid tests or mitochondrial function assessments can help identify mitochondrial issues early, making intervention easier and more effective. The good news? Mitochondrial dysfunction is reversible. At CellCore, we've seen lives transformed by restoring mitochondrial health through targeted support. Strategies include dietary changes like eating organic, nutrient-dense foods, reducing inflammatory foods, and embracing intermittent fasting to support cellular repair. Regular exercise, quality sleep, and stress reduction techniques like meditation or breath work can also dramatically enhance mitochondrial function. Supplements like magnesium, B vitamins, CoQ10, PQQ, and glutathione precursors, like those found in CellCore's TriMag, Methyl B Active, and Glinactive, play a crucial role in mitochondrial recovery. But healing mitochondria means addressing toxins at the source. Detoxification isn't just an option, it's essential. Start by reducing your exposure. Choose organic foods, filter your drinking water, use non-toxic household products, and limit exposure to mold and radiation. Enhance detoxification by supporting your body's drainage pathways, your liver, kidneys, colon, lymph, and skin. Practices like dry brushing, sauna therapy, and hydration can make a significant difference. And yes, supplements can be a valuable support here too. Cellcore's biotoxin binder, made with humic and fulvic acid, gently captures and eliminates harmful toxins, giving your mitochondria the space they need to heal and rebuild. Mitochondrial dysfunction from environmental toxins isn't something you have to accept. Your body has incredible power to heal. It just needs the right tools and support. By reducing toxic exposure, actively detoxifying and nourishing your mitochondria, you can reclaim your energy, clarity, and overall health. At Cellcore, we believe true wellness starts at the cellular level, because feeling better isn't the end goal, it's just the beginning. So ask yourself, what would your life look like if toxins weren't holding you back?